In this video, we're going to be showing you how to replace the control arm on your brand new Traxxas Sledge. Welcome everyone, my name is Troy, this is Roadside RC. What you'll tend to find on the channel is me crawling and bashing or drifting and racing, plus product review videos and how-tos. And in today's video, I have a broken control arm. It is snapped. And one thing you really need to know about the Sledge is that each individual control arm is a different part number. So if you are buying parts for this, you have to do like I did. And I just sent Traxxas $70 of my money in order to get spares for all of the corners. Boo! I am not happy about that. But the one that I need is 9531. That is this left front control arm. And so I'm going to show you, it's pretty simple what it takes to swap these out. I have my electric driver with my 2.5mm MIP driver on it. I'm going to use it to take out the bottom shock mount, and then this plus a wrench on this side to pull out this lower pin. For the next step, we need to flip the truck over, and we're going to have to take out the 5 screws that hold this front bumper on. We then have 2 more screws right here in the front bumper. I guess technically we didn't have to take off this part, right? We could have left that attached and just taken these 2 screws plus those 4, and this would have come off. Lesson learned. Alright, with this off, this whole control arm can now come off. We can transfer this pin and this plate over to the new arm. The whole reassembly was just the opposite of what we did to take it apart, and now we are back up and running, all back together, no problems whatsoever, fairly easy to work on. I love that most of the screws were the 2.5mm MIP drivers. That means a lot less likely to strip them. But just like that, control arm is fixed, ready to go.